Most people think their credit score is all about the big three: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. But here's what they don't realize. The real power lies with secondary credit bureaus, the hidden players behind the scenes. Companies like LexisNexis, Innovis, and CoreLogic are quietly collecting and sharing your personal data, shaping your financial destiny without your permission. This isn't common knowledge, and that's what makes it so powerful. The difference between someone who's struggling with credit and someone who's truly in control? Understanding how to take charge of these hidden data brokers. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you. These secondary bureaus gather detailed information: your public records, rental history, utility payments, even insurance claims. They pass this data on to the big three, feeding the system that determines whether you're approved for loans, mortgages, or even a new apartment. And the kicker? If their data is wrong, your financial profile takes the hit, not theirs. But here's where the opportunity lies. People who know how the system works understand the key to power is controlling the flow of information, and you can apply that same principle to your credit. Start by freezing your reports with these secondary bureaus. A freeze blocks lenders, insurers, and even scammers from accessing your data without your approval. Think of it as building a vault around your financial identity. And unlike what most people think, freezing your data doesn't hurt your credit score. It actually protects it. LexisNexis, SageStream, CoreLogic, Innovis, ChexSystems. These companies don't expect you to challenge their role in the system, but when you freeze your data with them, you cut off the flow of unnecessary and often outdated information to the big three, and that puts the power back in your hands. Next, dispute inaccuracies at the source. Instead of wasting time trying to fix errors directly with Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, go to the secondary bureaus. These are the gatekeepers. By disputing public records like old liens, judgments, or incorrect addresses directly with LexisNexis or CoreLogic, you eliminate errors before they even make it to your main credit reports. But here's a strategy few people know. Opt out of data sharing altogether. Companies like Innovis and LexisNexis sell your information to lenders for pre-screened credit offers, which not only clogs your mailbox, but also exposes your data unnecessarily. By opting out, you stop these companies from profiting off your personal information, and you protect yourself from unwanted inquiries that can lower your score. Another overlooked area is monitoring reports beyond your credit score. Did you know there's a company called NCTUE that tracks your utility and telecom payment history? Or that your past insurance claims are stored in a CLUE report from LexisNexis? These records influence everything from your car insurance premiums to utility deposits. People who take their financial health seriously monitor every source of data affecting their profile, and now you can too. The key is seeing the system for what it is, a network of data brokers profiting from your information. But you don't have to be at their mercy. You can flip the script by taking control of what they see and share. 1. Request. Your consumer reports. Most people don't even know these reports exist. LexisNexis, CoreLogic, ChexSystems, these companies owe you a full disclosure of your data. Request it, review it, and identify anything that's inaccurate or outdated. 2. Dispute errors at the source. Fixing errors at this level ensures they don't trickle up to the big three. 3. Freeze unnecessary reports. When you freeze your data, you limit access to it, forcing lenders to rely on accurate and intentional information. 4. Opt out of marketing lists. This protects your privacy and reduces exposure to unnecessary inquiries. Here's the truth. Financially empowered people don't just manage their money, they manage their information. and that's exactly what you need to do. By freezing your secondary credit reports, disputing inaccuracies, and monitoring these hidden data streams, you're not just protecting your credit, you're building a foundation of financial control and freedom. This strategy isn't for everyone. Most people will never even know about these secondary bureaus. But for those who take the time to learn and act, the rewards are life-changing. Don't leave your financial future in the hands of companies you didn't even know existed. Take control today. Request your reports, freeze your data, opt out, and reclaim your power. If this was helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more strategies to build wealth, confidence, and control. Let's rewrite the rules together.